स्टार्ट हो गया, करो, स्टार्ट हो गया।
Good morning friends, today our group present about games. Games is helpful for us. Games make our mind fresh. Put a question.
Yes, Anshuman is the question.
How many types of games are there? There are two types of games. One is indoor game and second is outdoor game.
Rudra question.
Sir, why we need outdoor games?
Why should we need outdoor games? Or games, any games, why should we need? Why should we need games?
Sir, we need outdoor games because when we play outdoor games, then we run, and that can exercise for our
Sir, in playing badminton we running.
We are not running, but yes, we
But
are
we
leaping.
jump.
Sometimes we are jumping from one place to another. We are moving. That means every game has lot enough capability that every part of the body will be exercised. But some part of the body must be exercised. Whenever we are sleeping, also we are doing some more. Our heart is functioning, you know. That at the time we are doing some more. That means our mind is doing some more. That's why we are dreaming also. If your mind will stop working, then we cannot dream properly. We cannot then. Indoor games, you are playing indoor games. So what is the benefits you are getting from the indoor games?
The benefits are play by indoor games are it keeps the mind fresh and the brain develop.
Mostly say that games, two types of benefits we are getting. Mostly for our health purpose, I can say two types of benefits. One is physical and the other is mental. Physical and mental. For physical, we are playing outdoor games, mostly cricket, running race, like this almost. And for our mental, we are playing indoor games, just like here. We are just here. We are just a fingertip is used and your mind is used how to strike that one.
Sir, and
Then constant effort. Yes.
and we can play chess.
Chess also very good. Yes.
Sir,
Akansha, my question is Dasharath. My question is from audience side, on behalf of the audience, I want to put a question that our school is a small school, okay, and a small number of children are here. And what type of games we do? Because we don't have any playground, big playground also. Then what type of games we must play inside the school campus?
We should play badminton because it takes small less areas and skipping also we can play.
Also, what like also can play, yes.
And football, we can play football because it takes more areas and it makes the children in discipline.
Football means there is a because we cannot put a net here for the football because for making it go, we cannot put a net. But just for kicking the ball, we can play it like this. Because sometimes we are getting amusement by kicking also, like this. Yes, straight off. Any other? Huh?
So, like in our school, boys play cricket, football, etc. This is small ground, and when the boys are picking up the balls, somebody's hand will.
Pitch. Yes,
So, what can we arrange for this?
what should we arrange?
For the
Small
girls.
playground. So many children are going outside for playing at the same time. Then what are the measures? What are the steps we must take to make all of them safe?
we can play indoor games.
Indoor games we can. That means we have to make groups among the children, and some groups will play indoor games, some groups will play outdoor games. So you see, whenever there is a game period, there is 11 children are needed for a cricket match for one team, and we are having how many boys are there inside our school in this classroom? How many boys are there? Around I think more than 34. Okay, 34 boys are there. So 34 boys at a time if they will go for the playing for the cricket match, then everybody can participate in the cricket match. Everybody will not get a chance to bat or bowl. That's why it will be a little bit harmful also. It is a big heavy crowd. Then it is very difficult for us to play. But my suggestion is that we shouldn't play cricket all the time. We can divide the group. Means we can make some groups for playing cricket. Some groups will play badminton, and some groups will play skipping. Some groups will play ring ball. Like this, we can manage this all the sort. Okay. Now, Any other question? Yes, Amruta.
Profit of game.
Huh?
What will be profit for us by game?
Profit. We have already discussed about the profit physically and mentally we are just getting. And another some other profits are also available from the game. What are the other profits we are getting from it? Except besides our physical and mental, means other things we are also getting. Yes, anybody? Yes, Suman.
Sir, our knowledge will grow.
Knowledge will grow. That is mental. Anything? Any other thing? Yes.
Amusement.
Amusement. Yes, amusement we are getting. Any other thing? Anybody else? Yes. Patri? Huh? Very good. Have a clap for him. Team spirit is the main thing. Team spirit. Team spirit. We are getting cheer. With a full of cheerful. We are playing and with the effort, much more effort than how to tackle the situation. And we are also learning how to solve the problem also. Am I correct? Suppose there is a batsman, we have to make him out. Then only can win. Then we are putting our much more effort to make him out. That is our means problem solving ability. Problem solving, how to solve the problem. Then another thing is that children, cooperation also we are learning. Sharing and cooperation. And friendship. Our friendship becomes more and more. Am I correct? And we are forgetting our rivalry. That means against anger. We are throwing our anger and we are coming with a team spirit that we must play with full of amusement because we are playing for amusement and for our health, not for any winning or losing. Winning and losing that doesn't affect us. But the most important thing that we are winning or we are losing, but means we are getting sometimes happy, sometimes we are getting unhappy. Then what should we do for that?
Sir,
If you are playing and you lost a game, then if you are unhappy, then what should you do for that?
sir, we don't cry because we think that if we don't,
Yes, sir.
We should be happy because we have lost the game, but another team they are also our friends, so we happy for them.
We must be happy for them. Yes, Akash Acharya.
Sir, we should not cry because we can win next time also.
Next time also we can win. Yes, good way, good way. Have a clap. If this time we are losing, next time we will win and we will try for that winning. Yes, Amruta.
Sir, we should think that we should practice makes a man perfect.
Very good. Have a clap once again. Practice makes man perfect. If you are making more practice, then you will be perfect. Next.
So games need practice. So they will think next time we will practice and we will win.
Very good, very good, very good. And another thing also, children, failure is the step for the success. Failure is the step for the success. If you are failing, you are learning how to tackle the situation. If you are winning, that's not a problem. But failure is also a success. You think that failure is also a success. Clear? Now, once again, have a beautiful clap for this team, teams for the discussion.